Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create product bundles on your TikTok shop. So first things first, you want to log in into your TikTok Seller Center. On the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see this navigation menu that will show you a lot of things that you can do, such as managing your product, taking a look at your orders, settings on your shippings, you can create promotion, you can take a look at the shop tab, shoppable video, etc. So what you want to do is go to the product sections right here, and you can see there is a product bundles options right here. If you're not really familiar with product bundles, or if you don't really know how things work with product bundles, basically, if let's say you are developing a product, or maybe you're selling a product that can goes together and it's going to sell well together. For example, maybe it's pen and book, or maybe you're selling bread and jam, and you can create great combination that will attract people to buy it. When you bundle them together and giving them special prices, you'll be able to boost revenue with that strategy. So you can see here it says that boost your revenue with product bundling. You can group product together so a customer can buy them with one click. So instead of pursuing them to buy the product one by one, you can actually combine them into one group of product, and your customer will be able to buy two product at one time, or maybe even three product, depending on the amount of product you want to put into your bundle. So in this part, you're going to go ahead and click create bundle, and it's going to bring you to another page where you can start adding the product you want to combine as a bundle. You can start by adding the name of the bundle. So for example, if again you are selling specific products, you can give them cute names to make it easier for people to remember. I'm just going to put bundles A for this tutorial. And I'm going to start adding my product. So I'm going to go ahead and click add product, and let's say I have this anklet and this pendant. So let's say I want to bundle these two. All I have to do is just click these two products, and you can there is a maximum of 3 products for one bundle. So I've already added 2, and I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. And this is going to be my bundle A product group, and then all I have to do is just click create bundle, and once it's created, we can set the price for the bundle. So obviously you want to make sure that the price that you put is not lower than both of that product combined. So here this is, I got the product A for 150,000 and product B is 80,000, and if I add them, it's going to be 230. So I want to make sure that the combination of these two would be definitely more interesting than if they buy one by one. You can make them lower if you want to, but just make sure that it still cover your cost of product. So let's say I'm just going to lower it by 5,000 here, so it's going to be 145 for this one, and it's going to be let's say 75 for this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and click agree and publish, and now I got the bundle promotion created. And that's basically it. That is how you can create product bundle on your TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.